Here I have XIAOMI Redmi Note 11, and today I'm going to show you how to enter Fastboot mode on this device. So firstly you have to turn off your device, and after it turns off completely, just hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after that you will end up in the Fastboot mode. So if you want to quit this mode, just hold down power key for about 5 or 10 seconds, and after that your device will be forcefully restarted. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.